Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video we'll show you how to delete your Google account. For that, open any web browser on your Android or iPhone and head to the Google homepage. Now sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Then tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Here select manage your Google account option. Now this will load another page. In this menu, you'll need to tap the search option at the top. Now search for delete. Once you see delete your Google account option, tap on it. In this menu, you will see the option to download your data first. If you want to do that, go ahead and do that first. After that, go through the list and read what will be deleted. You can't recover this data after deletion, so make sure you have downloaded your data or you are sure. After that, simply select these checkboxes and select delete account option. Once you do this, your Google account will be deleted. If you have any questions about this, feel free to ask them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe.